Hello my dear family, welcome to our channel. Today, we invite you to refer stone interior design, transforming spaces with earth beauty. Stone interior design is an emerging trend that harnesses the timeless beauty and natural elegance of stone materials to create stunning, harmonious spaces. This design philosophy focuses on integrating stone elements into various aspects of interior architecture and decor, offering a unique blend of durability, aesthetic appeal, and a connection to nature. Here's how stone can transform spaces. Natural aesthetics. Stone adds a raw, organic touch to interiors, bringing in textures, colors, and patterns that are inherently beautiful. From polished marble to rugged slate, each stone type contributes its own character, enhancing the visual richness of a space. Durability and longevity. Stone is one of the most durable materials available, resistant to wear and tear, making it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas. Its longevity means that it can withstand the test of time, both in terms of style and functionality. Versatility in applications. Stone can be used in various forms, including flooring, wall cladding, countertops, and decorative accents. It can complement different design styles, from rustic and traditional to modern and minimalist. Thermal and acoustic benefits. Stone naturally regulates temperature and sound, contributing to a more comfortable living environment. Its mass helps maintain stable indoor temperatures, while its density reduces noise levels. Sustainable design. Many stones are sourced from the earth and require minimal processing, making them an eco-friendly choice. Additionally, their longevity reduces the need for replacements, further minimizing environmental impact. Stone surfaces are hypoallergenic and resistant to mold, mildew, and bacteria, promoting a healthier living environment. Color and pattern variety. Stone comes in a vast array of colors and patterns, allowing for endless creative possibilities. Designers can choose stones that match or contrast with other elements in a space, enhancing overall design cohesion. Focal points and feature walls. Incorporating large stone slabs or creating feature walls can serve as a stunning focal point in any room, drawing the eye and anchoring the design. Outdoor-indoor connection. Using stone in both indoor and outdoor spaces creates a seamless transition and fosters a connection with nature. This continuity can enhance the overall ambience and harmony of the home. Timeless appeal. Stone has been used in architecture for centuries, lending an air of timelessness to modern interiors. This classic quality ensures that spaces designed with stone will remain stylish for years to come. Incorporating stone elements into your interior design can enhance the perceived. Customization and personalization. Stone can be customized to fit specific design visions, from unique shapes and sizes to personalized finishes. This allows homeowners to create truly one-of-a-kind spaces that reflect their personal style. Here are some of the most popular stone interior design trends and elements that can elevate your space. Marble. Marble is synonymous with luxury and sophistication. Commonly used in kitchens and bathrooms, marble countertops provide a stunning focal point, with unique veining patterns that make each piece one of a kind. Popular uses: kitchen islands, bathroom vanities, and accent walls. Granite, known for its durability and resistance to scratches and heat, granite is a practical choice for high-use areas. Available in a wide range of colors and patterns, it can fit various design styles. Popular uses: kitchen countertops, bar tops, and fireplace surrounds. Limestone. Limestone offers a worn and rustic aesthetic, often used for feature walls or exterior cladding. Its natural texture adds depth to any room. Popular uses: living room accent walls, exterior facades, and flooring. Slate stone. Slate is ideal for both indoor and outdoor spaces due to its natural slip resistance and durability. It comes in various colors, allowing for creative design combinations. Popular uses: entryways, kitchens, and patios. Quartz stone. Engineered quartz is non-porous and highly durable, making it a popular choice for countertops. It mimics the look of natural stone while offering greater versatility and lower maintenance. Popular uses: kitchen and bathroom countertops, backsplashes, and tabletops. Soapstone. Soapstone is a soft, metamorphic rock that is resistant to heat and stains. Its earthy tones and smooth finish make it a stylish alternative for countertops and sinks. Popular uses: kitchen countertops, sinks, and fireplaces. Travertine. This natural stone is characterized by its unique texture and warm colors. Often used for flooring, it can create a Mediterranean or rustic vibe. Popular uses: flooring, wall cladding, and patios. Onyx accents. Known for its striking patterns and translucency, onyx is often used as an accent material. Backlit onyx panels can create dramatic effects in spaces. Popular uses: accent walls, bar tops, and decorative features. Exposed stone. Leaving stone walls exposed can add character and charm to a space, creating a rustic or industrial feel. This technique is popular in lofts and modern homes. Pebble tile. Pebble tiles add texture and a natural feel to spaces. Often used in bathrooms and spas, They create a soothing atmosphere. Popular uses: shower floors, bathroom backsplashes, and outdoor patios. Incorporating stone into interior design can bring a sense of nature indoors, enhancing the aesthetic and functional qualities of your space. Whether you choose marble for elegance, slate for durability, or limestone for warmth, stone elements can create stunning, timeless interiors that connect with the natural world. Here's a concise guide on creating your stone interior. Inspiration and planning. Look through design magazines, websites, and platforms like Pinterest to find inspiration. Determine the overall aesthetic you want, whether rustic, modern, or traditional, and how stone can enhance your space. Selecting the right stone. You can choose the appropriate type of stone based on the analysis of the characteristics of the popular types of stone mentioned above. Identifying key areas. Prioritize spaces. Identify rooms that would benefit most from stone elements, such as kitchens, bathrooms, or living areas. Consider flooring, backsplashes, or statement walls for stone accents. Balancing textures and finish. Combine different stone textures and finishes for visual interest. Use polished stone alongside rough-hewn surfaces. Varying finishes can add layers to the design, making the space feel dynamic. Incorporating lighting. Use lighting to enhance the natural beauty of the stone. Spotlights or under-cabinet lights can emphasize its texture and color. Adjust the lighting to create a warm and inviting ambience. Accessorizing with natural elements. Use natural materials like wood, metal, and plants to create a balanced and harmonious environment. Incorporate accessories that echo the organic aesthetic of stone. Furniture and decor selection. Choose furniture that complements the stone's earthy tones. Look for minimalist designs and natural materials. Opt for colors that enhance the stone's features while maintaining a cohesive look. Practical considerations. Ensure that your choices are practical for everyday living, including ease of maintenance and safety. Select materials and designs that offer comfort and usability. Seeking professional guidance. If unsure, consider hiring a designer or architect who specializes in stone interiors for tailored advice. Work with professionals to bring your vision to life while ensuring structural integrity. Enjoying the journey. Enjoy the process of creating your stone interior and allow yourself to explore different ideas. Recognize the beauty and warmth that natural materials bring to your living space. By following these steps, you can create a stunning stone interior that combines beauty, functionality, and timeless elegance. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. If you found this video inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home design content. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting design ideas. Goodbye and see you again.